In order to fulfill the algorithm, you must come out first the first step, which is data cleaning. But before that, let me introduce first what is data cleaning. Data cleaning is the process of detecting and correcting corrupt or inaccurate records from a record set or table or database, and it refers on identifying incomplete, incorrect, inaccurate, or irrelevant parts of data. So this is the first step, which is replace missing value operators. This operator will help to replace those missing value in the given dataset. After that, we should implement the detect outlier operator, which is to help you to summarize and find the outliers in the dataset. And lastly, filter example operator. This operator will filter the outlier that is equals to false. It means that the output of the result is the dataset that is not the outlier.